Hello guys, welcome back to Subbu Softech. In this video, we will discuss about how to download Postman software in your Windows operating system, guys. Okay, so when it comes to this Postman is a versatile software, guys. So API platform, so it is designed for developer to test those APIs, guys. Okay, so it is for user friendly interface. Yeah. As a programmer, as a developer, you can happily create and send API request from the Postman software, and what are the response that is we got from the backend service. So you can happily see those responses in your Postman service, guys. You can also debug the issues. This is a testing purpose only software, guys. Okay, let's jump into how to download and install Postman software in your Windows operating system, guys. So when it comes to this downloading setup, so first we have to visit the official website, guys. Okay, so whatever the official website for this Postman is there, you have to visit that official website and you have to download your appropriate installer for your particular operating system, guys. Whether if it is a Windows operating system, Mac or Linux, which operating system you are using, that appropriate installer you have to download. Okay, so once you downloaded, you have to run that installer, guys. So it will ask some on-screen instructions here. You have to follow those instructions, and once the instructions is completed, so your Postman is successfully installed in your Windows operating system, guys. So after that, you can launch the Postman, and you can either you have to sign in, or if you don't have the credits, if you don't have a account, means you have to create an account, guys. Okay, that is up to your choice. So let's go for more details about this breakdown. So first we have to download the Postman, guys. So we have to go to the Postman download page here, click the download button, so corresponding to your particular operating system, guys. Okay, once you will click on that button, it will start automatically, guys. Okay, once the downloading process is completed successfully, you have to go for installation process, guys. Just double click on the installer, guys. Okay, so whatever the .ext file you downloaded, just double click on it. It will start the installation wizard and follow all these on-screen instructions, guys. Okay, so after that, so once the installation process completed successfully, you can launch your Postman, guys. Okay, so it will ask for sign in or create an account here. If you have an account, you can sign in, otherwise you can create an account, guys. That is also optional. Okay, so if you don't want to create account also, that is also optional. We skip that account creation, guys. Now let's download this Postman software, guys. So there are multiple people, so they are facing different issues regarding this Postman, guys. Okay, don't worry, we will upload all the Postman related videos in future, guys. Okay, so let's go to the downloading process. So you have to open the Chrome browser and type Postman download. So whatever the first website is there, if you see, so click on that link, guys. If you observe here, so Windows 64-bit, that link is available or not, just click on it. So it will automatically download the Postman software, guys. Yes, so it is in still process, right? .exe file is downloading, guys. Yes, so that is downloaded successfully. So go to the download folders. So whatever the .exe file is there, so just double click on that file, guys. In order to execute that Postman software in your machine, definitely you have to double click on that particular software, guys. Yes, as we discussed, it is asking for email address, right? Yes, if you have an account details, you can log in with your credentials, guys. Otherwise you can create a new account. Otherwise, if you say continue without an account or not, yes, so the account creation is also optional, guys. Just to go with continue without account. Yes, so if you observe here, sign up options is available, and right side open lightweight API client is available or not without an account, guys. Okay, you can just click on open lightweight API account, guys. So this is the how Postman dashboard looks like, guys. So if you observe here, if you want to create a collection, so you can create a collection, guys. If you want to send a new request from the Postman software that is already running in the backend service, means here we have a new option, right? Just click on new option, guys. It will create a new request, guys. one new tab is open. So it will ask HTTP, WebSocket, different things. So which one you are required, so that you can go for it, guys. Let's go for HTTP. It will create a HTTP request, guys. Here we have a different head options available: post mapping, get mapping, port mapping, patch mapping. Based on the mapping that you configured in the Spring Boot, that request we have to send from the Postman, guys. So this is the how we have to download Postman software in your machine, guys.